Hey guys, it's MC Fixit here. I got two of the 2024 GYROpalooza box. These are from Disc Golf Deals USA. They taped them together. They were not like that from the factory, but when I bought them, I bought two of them. Want to see what a double pull will look like, if they're the same, if they're different. Let's go ahead and jump on in. So let's go ahead and pull. Ooh, that's the balance. That is sweet looking, 177 gram. Cannot wait to throw that. The next one is the GRYOpalooza. This should be the Vanish if I'm not mistaken, and it is. And then we have the Parachute. So those are the three that you are guaranteed to get. I do love that color. Let's go ahead and check out the next disc. This is a Wrath. I've actually never thrown the Wrath. That's pretty sweet. 166 with a really cool blue rim. The next one is a Tesla R2 168. I like it. The next disc. Ooh, I love that Dayglow green color. Simon line. That's got to be the balance. Ooh, I got a balance. That's sweet. And it looks like, I don't know, maybe it's just clear. Definitely photon plastic here. That thing's sweet. The next pool, that like a glitch or a pitch or something of that nature. Let's see it. Parachute. That's kind of cool. I don't think I've seen it in a swirly plasma before. This thing's fire so far. Proxy. I throw a glow proxy. There's a little bit of blemish, but man, that's sweet. This thing's been fire so far. Man, I must have got the Simon box for real. Simon line, what is it? I would say it's a time lapse. It is. It is a time lapse. That's sweet. What is that? Resistor with a little bit of sparkle in it. And last but certainly not least, Insanity. I throw an Insanity. That's sweet. So we got the Insanity. We got the Resistor, the time lapse, the proxy, the parachute. I think that was a balance if I wasn't mistaken. Yeah, that's the balance. Tesla, Wrath, the new balance. I think it was a parachute if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, parachute. And the Vanish. Wowzer. So that was just box one. That's why I'm doing it like this. Here comes box two. Let's see if we got a double banger. Hoo-hoo-hoo! I wanted a white one. That is totally dyeable. 176. You got the Vanish. You got the parachute. Got a Hex with a really sweet rim on that. 172. Got a Motion. I've never thrown a Motion. 166. Got some good R2s. Oh, please be another balance. Oh, it is. It's purple. Purple and gray rimmed. That's sweet. I'm guessing that is that's a Lift. Never thrown a Lift. I got a buddy who throws a Lift. That one is pretty sweet looking. And got a Trail with some cool coloring. I'm shocked they didn't use that. That's got cool coloring in it. Look at that. Next up is a Hex. It's a glow Hex with a really cool blue rim. Got a Rhythm. Should be one more. Oh, that's sweet looking. That is a Relativity. That's got some cool coloration too. So we got the Relativity. We got the, that was a Hex, right? Nope, that was a Rhythm. Rhythm. then the glow hex, then the trail. What's the weight on that? 172. The lift, another balance, R2 motion, hex. We got the parachute, we got the vanish, and we got the balance. This was a really sweet double set. If you ever have questions about doing a double set, at least at Disc Golf Deals USA, they come out sweet. Oh, one thing I didn't check. I guess I kind of did. I didn't get the golden ticket. Oh well, got some sweet disc. Super excited to be throwing these, ready for winter to be over so I can actually get out there and use all of them. And you know, since it's MVP, we got to check it under a glow light because they like to do all kinds of fun things. So I'm going to pull a couple of discs out at a time. So these ones are not glow disc, but these two are definitely UV activated. And this one on the end, wow, that's that balance. That thing is UV activated, but again, it's not a glow disc. These two are both glow. That's the lift and the hex, and they both glow really well. That's cool. I did not realize the balance would do that in photon. I didn't know that they put. That's so cool. Maybe it's the day glow. It's the only thing I can think. We'll do these two next. Now, wow, look at that. That thing does not glow in the dark, but it will definitely shine with UV. So that's the hex. The motion doesn't really do anything. And then we will grab the last three. And so this has a little bit, I think it's because it's got some of that day glow that it will kind of shine in the dark, but not really glow. That's really cool. That's got a blue, no, I guess it's white center, green rim. And that has got a blue glow to it. That's really nifty. I like that a lot. Let's go ahead and check out our other box. So a little bit of shine if you do have a UV light that's pretty bright on that one. This one definitely shines bright. Time lapse doesn't do anything. Get the next three out here. Well, that's kind of weird. They must have had in their R2, they must have had some kind of glow plastic in there too, because that one kind of shines. Or maybe it's some of this other stuff. It doesn't glow per se, but you would definitely kind of be able to see that because it shines a little bit. Nothing with the parachute. And the proxy just glows really well. That's that green glow. Do the next two. Nothing really with the wrath. But then the balance does it again. Again, it doesn't glow in the dark per se, but it definitely has some UV reflective in it. That is so cool. I did not know they were doing that. And then we'll go ahead and get another shot with this. Again, a little bit of like glow off the UV, but doesn't like, should say shine. A little shine. That's kind of cool. Then we got a, looks like a blue with a white rim. Then that's just blue. Overall, that's really cool. I love the glow on MVP. They have one of the best, if not the best, glows in disc golf, and they just last a long time, so they're super fun to throw. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. If you've not given this video a thumbs up yet, please do so, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.